everybody, welcome to a new video in the course of full stack web development. Today we will take the developer tools. I mean the developer tools in your browser. Means how you can access the developer tools. Okay, so first you can open any browser. For example, let's start with Microsoft Edge. Okay, here for example let's search for Twitter. Let's open Twitter. Okay, now can you just discover the elements here? For example, here we have text is an element, here text also, and here text also. Here we have buttons, here also text, and here is an element for writing the phone email or username, and here we have the password, and we have a hyperlink, and we have login. Okay, how we can see the code or open first the developer tools? There's two ways in Microsoft Edge. You can right click here and choose inspect, or you can click here and go to more tools, go to developer tools, and here it will welcome you. You need to go here up, you will search go elements. Yeah, now you are sure. Okay, well, you want to see the code of each one. For example, I want to see the code for it sign up. I click inspect and I get the code, and when I put my mouse on it, it will say where is it's for what. It was class. Okay, I want to know where is this text. Where is the code of this text? I click right inspect. Here I can see the text same as here. For example, I can edit it. Welcome to Twitter, for example. Welcome to Twitter. Okay, now it's edited. Try to do this, it will be so fun. For example, I want to here change, for example, discover here. I want to here discover, for example, here. So what can I do? Or example, I want to delete these hyperlinks. How can I do this? You can just a minute, just select them, right click here and click inspect. Okay, so here example, I want to remove this brand resources. Now it's deleted. For example, here I want to delete, example here advertising, I want to delete the marketing, example like this. You can delete. For example, I want to delete the settings. Click inspect, delete the settings, or example say home or discover. Let's say I want to home, so here I get here home. Okay, I want to remove this copyright. Right click and here copyright, I can edit. Boy, for example, kids of the future. Okay, so now let's go to another browser. Okay, the second one is Google Chrome. Okay, for example, let's open another website. Let's say Facebook. Just a minute. Here's Facebook. Okay, so here's Facebook. I want the main page. So here's Facebook. So here in Google Chrome, the same thing. Right click here and inspect, or here go to more tool and developer tools. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so here sometimes it opens immediately on console. You must go to elements if the last time you used console. Okay, and you don't understand any of these things. Okay, now here for example this is an element for example for text and delete text, and here also button, for example hypertext, here also button. and a lot of things. Okay, let's for example make this text, I don't want it to be strong. I click inspect, I find it strong, or maybe it is okay. So just let's resize this. Okay, so here it was by CSS, okay, not by the HTML. Okay, for example I want to edit this text. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check this text, go inspect, oops, sorry. So here example I want to edit the create a page. I want to say for example create a business, here business. Okay, so here create a business account. The business account. Okay, so here we got create a business account, but the hyperlink is still as the same. Okay, how we can edit it? Here you can find the link, but why there is no HTTPS? Because it's on the server itself, so there is no HTTPS. Just checks and go to pages, a folder in the same file or folder I mean, then it goes to pages. Okay, for example let's edit the link. Example, I want this link to open in Facebook. For example I want to open Facebook again. So how I can do this? I can just here and edit HTML. Okay, so here I can make HTTPS, and here I can make www.facebook.com. okay, now it's edited, so I can open it and it will reopen on Facebook. Okay, for the other browsers I will put in the description below for the other browsers. For Google, for Safari and Firefox, how to open it, but I don't have them in my computer, so I just mention in the description how to open developer tools in it. Okay, so that was all of today, and see you in the next video.